know, we'll get a... Okay, sanibona yimi uMangena. So what's happening ane? I just touched down last week. I touched down like us eKingsway and as you all can see dog sekas. So yeah, manje ngiyahamba ngiya eKhala umculo lapha. Ngiya eDavidson. Okay, my day is going to be busy today ane. And manje ngihamba ngeDavidson. Yeah, like I said, my day is going to be busy and so sihlaba nembuzi dog. And if you want to see me slapping the mbuzi dog, stay tuned dog. If you're new, please subscribe and like the video. If you've been here, dog, like the video before me and you we get into the boy fight at all. So yeah, do what's right and yeah, let's get to it dog. I'll talk to you all when I get to Davidson. Ngibonile dog lendlela izoba yinde instead ukuthi ngigibele ase ngithathe leyo mali yabo siyibhubhudle shimali sathatha amandla bese sohlaba lenkukhu lembuzi kaThulani legosi kaThulani lapha nibe khona nina la benithi nidla tanga mina ngidla ingane angibuyi mina tanga ethaveni ngingaphethanga ngane kanti naba forced abantwana babantu one day you guys will end up there. You see le moto epake lapha bazobona abantu bako wabo now you will end up there lo moto uzokuthatha ngenkani. I'm telling you dog yekela ukuya nengane ethaveni buyi one sandwa abulala simple. Lithe isinizwe phela ngifake nje lapha ngifuna ukuthi nibuye nizongikhalela ile embuzi yeah okay so sisibindi manje funa akhohle yithi ntanto wena ungayanga ngiyokala ngapentshisi ayikho ukugozana kumele uthumele hayi niyampetha ngale soja lelo resikuwa kwani maybe kuphela 2 amasoja lebuya lwadayise lapha angilithembi la soja ngiyazi sewangilanda leya muntu ngiyazi kuneplan ayadonza mama ndoda kufana futhi sunkissed mfana yo hey okay keeper yeah sama princess Ntabathi yangaphi yaphila ikhipha lawa anje kuphela. Yawa kanjani? Hayi bolile ke lento. Bolile ke lento. Awuna taste nama princess.
Mara bona ndila wanga pamkoma. Ayido no strangers ngayizwanga. Bayazi
angithandi ke mayiqala ithi kikikiki
ubuya kuthini namanje
manje kanti angiconfuse phela mina ngizomthula
ngiyizithulane ezithuya ngoba bathi metro manje uyilanda kude manje
ngizithulane kwamanje
uyilanda kude ene yabona ngoba bathi Israel
ngophi kanti ngibona kiri
Israel
yazi Israel ngophi
ufuna ukuthi sine Jews sine Israel
yes right lapho correct
ngobulongo
Ngiyabonga Thulani. Ngisaphendulele. Angisakhulumi.
Thina siyaphandle. Ukuthi Israel ingaphandle.
Asikhulume thina masipala thina la.
Ayikho vele.
Wena utshela ukuthi
nami
nothing.
ngiyazi vele ukuthi Israel under yilo. Israel Midrael. Under vele
nakunje.
Bese ishora yonke. Bese sikhuluma ngamasipala. Amasipala cishe ngathi bawungakha ngazi noma bawu4.
Phela thina
engibaziyo mina abagqamile le ekurhuleni iTshwane sePretoria Johannesburg lezi bama boma nalezi abomfarinaheng zonke bovala lezi ingane zonke indawo
leyo phela
area orange farm and Johannesburg
because engani into abayiyenza mos makuvotwa kwathiwa abantu abaningi base-Israel sizocela bona i-ANC yacela bona time party DA la i-ANC yacela nje abase ekuruleni bafuna ukubamba le municipality yethu
yangapha iyenkulu ile masipala omkhulu
because thina for sure si-eda nje into enkulu
enkulu ne-development bathi
because ngale gas lelini Katlehong inkulu phela Katlehong so abantu bangakanani
Katlehong first lo mhlahanda ekuruleni.
Yeah, first yani
guys, now I'm about to leave and I'm going with you. So what is happening is that Bakabothulana ne zobekitiza ngoba namhlanje. So what is happening? Mina namhlanje triple dog. Ukumbonisa da if kunesibani namhlanje I'm not working my friend. Going there nalentende lapha naselkhona and then yeah we're gonna be I don't know sizobukela abantu abagida zabo besigida. I don't know if you guys would want to watch that but yeah let me show you guys napa